Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. So in this video today we are going to discuss what exactly the pharmacy is and how significant is it. So have you ever thought maybe a person can survive without a technology or gadgets or current or maybe any book or any videos for a while? But can a person survive without a good health at least for a second? No, impossible. So here comes the importance of a medicine which improves the person's health. Don't just see it as a medical shop surrounding you. Yes, what I'm saying is absolutely right. Because a medicine in a shop includes almost all 20 years of valuable and precious time of a pharmacist, I mean scientist, which needs to get into a developed stage finally. So here, I'm just not talking about the generics. Generics may not take such long time because generics are the drugs. Just they are prepared based on the already made formula, so it may not take that much time. But the main identified drug takes this time. Yes, but we will discuss about the total drug discovery process in next other video. But just here now we will come to know what's the pharmacy and its significance. That's it. Okay, so this all the pharmacy it includes a lot of people from beginning to end, like a pharmacist and a research scientist to develop a drug actually and to discover a drug, and a manufacturing industry and a QA industry, I mean QA department, QC department, and the marketing department finally. So that ends the drug which comes into the market. Yes, so this all are the people who are depending upon a single medicine. Just we may think that it's a single medicine which is going to happen and which is going to release in a market, but it crosses a lot of barriers and comes out by the time it is in the market. Yes, so it has a such important and significance only a just person. When a diabetes patient or a cardiac patient, thyroid patient, maybe any other patient is not fine with his health and just he's a patient, so he definitely needs to take a medicine to regulate his or her health. So when it means that when a body does not support, it means a medicine is a one which gives us a support. So that's the importance of just a medicine. Nowadays if we'll see, just most of the people are choosing easier ways to get settled in their life, but they're not thinking the importance of the what interest they are in. Like most of them are choosing software, IAS or IPS, or maybe anything or entertainment field, but they're not, but no one is keeping interest to get developed into a science field. And even the uh, surrounding people around them, maybe our parents or relatives, are also not supporting them and not allowing them to reach into the science background. Not only the pharma I'm talking, but I'm saying about the most of the science fields, because the one fear is that science field takes a lot of time. They are thinking in such a thing, but no pay, no, like, no pain no gain. So you need to have at least a minimum hard work to get succeeded in the life. Yes, because I'm just saying this because most of them, though you are interested in the science field, because of many other reasons which are actually not so important, you're just stepping back. So but don't do that. And also now, in this present scenario, many of them are just saying that pharma has no growth, or it's not so important, or it's very slow process. But no, it's absolutely wrong. Don't judge a book by its cover, because every field has its own importance. But the difference is that the way you deal, the way you learn, the way you think, and the way you succeed in it makes you to be in a different position. Okay, so anything is different, and when you succeed in it. Not only the field which is in a high level, but the low level field can be brought into a good platform if you reach it in a right manner. So your hard work pays always. And of course, nowadays, smart work is important. But the one fact is that drug discovery approval process is a bit longer, yes, because as soon as the market is just discovered, it cannot be bought into the market, because it involves it involves a many conditions and criteria to be satisfied, because we are not just giving a chocolate or something else to a patient. We are giving a drug which totally changes or may not change in a body. So it has to fill out all the criteria which is important. So FDA approvals, clinical processes, everything is very important, such that the pharmacy field is somewhat lengthier, you may think. But being making generics is not so long. So that's what only the one fact I'll agree. But not the thing is that it does not have growth. No, it's not a right thing to say. Most of the people say things like that. No, but every field has its own importance. And like we have the importance of emerging science in the total our India. So that's the importance of a significance and importance of the pharmacy. So don't just see it as a medical shop. Again, I'm remembering, okay, don't just see it as a medical shop, but it includes a lot of time and patience of a scientist. So by this I would like to conclude that, saying just one suggestion. Though your people are having many other any background financial problems or any something else, but don't just leave your dreams along that background. Okay, so just try to achieve your dreams. If you are interested in science field, please get into the science field, because there are a lots of scientists are needed in our India. I mean, society demands a lot of scientists, and a good scientist is very important rather than many people. So try to get into a good scientist if you are really interested. So that's all about the today's video. If you like this video, so then do subscribe and press the bell button so that you can receive more updates from me. Thank you.